Alright, how we doing out there? Killing some time here today out in the shop on a nice rainy day. What I have here is my microwave that blew up the other day. This is the one I got at the dump store for free. And what I'm doing today is I'm going to be going after the magnatron to take the big magnets out of it that are in there, strong magnets I should say. So let me reposition the camera and see if I can get a better shot of this. And we're going to disassemble this thing and get the magnets out of it. Alright, so this is what we're after. Okay, I've already taken the cover off, as you can see. And basically the cover was just held on with Phillips screws on the side. And they have these anti-tamper Torx heads in the back. So you'll need to get yourself a set of these anti-tamper Torx head. They got a little pin in the middle. Hopefully I'm catching this. Down here you have the capacitor. You definitely want to stay away from that. I've already shorted that out. I'm not going to show you how to do that because I don't want anybody doing what I'm doing. Do it on your own. This is the magnatron. So we're going to start pulling the wires off it. Clean this out a little bit. I'm trying my best to stay out of the frame so you can see what I'm doing. I'm also going to come back and harvest all these little thermosistors, I believe they're called, or heat sensors, thermostats. There's a bunch of them. These wires here I don't care about. Don't care less. This one's gone. Okay. I'm going to get my head in the way here. I'm going to start taking these screws out. I need to get to this unit. So let's see what happens. I guess I could use this. That would be a lot faster. This was a nice rainy day job. Okay, we need to make this a bit longer. I should have done that already. There's two. There's another one hiding somewhere. Okay, there's the magnatron. Also, it's a nice big transformer in here. Let me get this off the bench. Get this out of the way for now. There's a bunch of things in here I'm going to take out. Right now I'm trying to show you the magnatron. Alright, let me move the camera over a little bit closer to the bench. Oh, there goes the camera. Sorry about that. we got everything captured here. There's the magnatron. This is a down and dirty real-time video here, no editing, as usual. Okay, there are the magnets. Boy, them are nice magnets. All right, I'm going to put this, try to put this in a vise and break this box open. I'll be back when I get set up. Okay, I've got that in the vise, secured as good as I could. I'm going to try to break this open. I don't want to turn this into a 20-minute video. I don't like making long videos, nor do I like watching them. Come on, you're almost up. All right, there it is. There we go. There's one side. It's about to pop out on me. Boy, those magnets are strong. They're my screwdriver. Very strong. All right. Set this down on the bench. See how much of this I can actually capture. Now here you see it's caught this screw. Here it has looks like a brass insulator. It's got a little washer here. And this ceramic piece, you want to be very careful of this. It's highly deadly. Let me go get a small screwdriver so I can take this out. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Getting back to this ceramic looking thing, that's made out of beryllium oxide. You don't want to scratch that and make any dust with it. You don't want to get that into your lungs. It's extremely toxic. And I'll post a little Google search on that so you can see that. I'll put that up in the video. Okay, there's one. Yep, that's a beautiful thing. Okay, I'm going to have to take this apart a bit. There we go. And it's sticking to everything. It's grabbing my pliers. Okay, that was just that easy. And that almost hurt because these want to slap together. Now see that they're opposing each other? That is immensely strong. And then obviously if you go this way, oh, it broke, look at that. They snapped. Oh my goodness, you can't get these to get apart. I think there's those neodymium. I can't believe I broke that. Boy, these are so strong. Wow, they'll hurt you too. Yeah, that's how you have fun with magnets on a rainy day. I'm really sad that broke. I guess now we got 3 magnets. These are incredibly strong. I'm actually pretty shocked. It sucks that it broke. See that? You can't push them together. Hopefully I'm catching that. It's incredible. Yep, I want to go the opposite way. That's never going back together. See? I'm going to push it along the bench. All right, hopefully I caught that. That's having fun with magnets. Now that whole deal, actually I got my timer going. Not counting taking the cover off. It took me, where's my timer? I don't know. Well, that whole deal, including moving the camera, getting the tools, and taking the magnets out, was a little over 16 minutes. There's the timer going. So that's very cool. That's how you get magnets out of the microwave. So other than breaking my magnets, which I had no idea, did you see how easy that was? As soon as it moved, it broke. These are incredibly strong. So yeah, didn't take these to the dump. I knew they were in there. All right, well, thanks for watching. That's how you get your magnets out of the magnatron. Definitely don't scratch these and make any dust with these, the beryllium. And I'll put a little Google link in the video so you can read it for yourself. You definitely do not want to breathe any of this if you chip it or get any dust on it. It's hazardous, there's no cure for it, so you're going to have a really bad life, so don't do that. Here's the other one. All right, that's it for the magnetron magnet removal on the microwave. Sucks that I broke the magnet without even trying, but pretty cool nonetheless. All right, thanks for watching. I'm out. Having fun with magnets on a rainy day.